Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the true or false in your revision paper. Today you are going to do revision in true or false. In your previous class you have already done the revision in adverbs, meanings, fill in the blanks and choose the correct answers. And in today's class you are going to do the revision from true or false. See the first one, children. New Delhi is the capital city of India. So what is the capital city of India, children? New Delhi. Yes, New Delhi is the capital city of India. This statement is true. Second one. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Is Kolkata known as the city of joy? Yes, Kolkata is known as the city of joy. This statement is true. Third one. Pongal is the religious festival. Is the Pongal religious festival, children? No, Pongal is the harvest festival. So, this statement is false. Fourth one. Kolkata is the second Indian city to have metro train. No, Kolkata is the first Indian city to have metro train. So, this statement is false. Fifth one. The important office of state government of Maharashtra are in Delhi. So, is the important office of state government of Maharashtra are in Delhi? No. This statement is false. Sixth one. Villages have no shopping malls. So, do you find any shopping malls in the villages, children? No, we cannot find shopping malls in the villages. So, villages have no shopping malls. This statement is true. Next, in many villages, people live in pakka houses. Yes, even though they are villages, people used to live in pakka houses. So, this statement is true. Eighth question. Main needs of villagers are modern services like dining, restaurants. So, do villagers need modern services like dining, restaurants as city people? No, they don't need any dining or dining restaurants. They need proper water facilities, road facilities, transportation, right? They need all these. So, main needs of villagers are not modern services like dining and restaurants. So, this statement is false. Ninth question. Government keeps farmers away from education. Did government keeps farmers away from the education system? No. The government provide a minimum knowledge to the farmers about agriculture and all those. So, this statement is false. 10th question. Early humans lived in kucha houses. Yes, early humans used to live in kucha houses. So, this statement is true. Children, again I am going to repeat true or false. You too read along with me. See the first question. New Delhi is the capital city of India. Yes, this statement is true. Second question. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Yes, this statement is true. Third question. Pongal is the religious festival. This statement is false. Fourth question. Kolkata is the second Indian city to have metro train. Yes, this statement is false because Kolkata is the first Indian city to have metro train. Fifth one, the important office of state government of Maharashtra or in Delhi. This statement is also false. Sixth question, villages have no shopping malls. This statement is true. Seventh question, in many villages, people live in pakka houses. Yes, this statement is true. Eighth one, main needs of villagers are modern services like dining restaurants. Yes, this statement is false. Ninth question, government keeps farmers away from education. False. This statement is false. 10th one, early humans lived in kutcha houses. So this statement is true. These are the true or false in your revision paper, children. Now let's see match the following. See the first one. Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India. Delhi is the capital city of India. Option C. Capital city of India. Second one, Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Option D. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Third one, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Mumbai. Option A. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Fourth one, Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Option B. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Fifth one, dairy farming. Dairy farming means option C. F. Dairy farming. Dairy farming is milk and milk products. Option F, milk and milk products. Dairy farming belongs to milk and milk products. Next, poultry farming. Poultry farming belongs to option G, eggs and meat. Poultry farming belongs to eggs and meat. Seventh one is mining. Mining belongs to option E, digging of minerals out of the ground. Digging minerals out of the ground, we call them as mining. Eighth one, working in forest. Working in forest means it's furniture, right? We make furnitures with wood. So working in forest belongs to furniture. Ninth one is farming. Farming means option H, grains. We do farming like grains, wheat, maize, all these, right? So farming means option H, grains. Children, again I am going to repeat, match the following. Listen carefully and repeat along with me. Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India. Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Dairy farming belongs to milk and milk products. Poultry farming belongs to eggs and meat. Mining is digging minerals out of the ground. Working in forest comes under furniture, and farming means grains. Children, once go through this video 3 times, true or false, and match the following, okay? And you have to write exam on these true or false and match the following. Okay, you have to write test on these topics. So read carefully, do revision properly, and prepare well for your examinations. Bye children, thank you.